Hello, I'd like to talk to you about our training session called Good Lean, Bad Lean. We have the pleasure and honor of working with Reynald Debaut-Henocque, ex-Vice President of Production of Toyota Motor Manufacturing France, that was one of the key actors in building up over what turns out to be one of the most highly efficient factories in the automotive industry, producing the Yaris here in France. 1/3 of the French vehicles produced by 5,000 people at the time we speak. And we have this training session in which Reynald presents the essential part of it, right? All the Toyota way, in fact. Tell us about it, Reynald.
Okay, thank you, Philippe, to give me the opportunity to share with our future trainee my more than 20 years of experience of Toyota and what I learned about Toyota and how Toyota developed the lean. And I will speak and I will explain what are the foundation of the lean, meaning mainly what are the basic of management, because many companies know very well the Toyota production system and the basic of Toyota production system, like Kanban, 5S, TPM, and SMED, and so on. But many companies forgot or ignore totally, for me, the main part which explain the performance of Toyota and the lean within Toyota, which is the basic of management. And I will explain deeply this basic of management. I will explain, of course, also the necessity to develop the supplier and how the supplier have also to apply the lean approach, how we can apply the lean approach during the product development and process development, and how we apply the lean within the maintenance organization, and above all, how to have a good performance and to apply the lean. The first part is to develop the members, and how to be sure 100% of our members will be trained, will be embarked to apply the lean, because members are capital of our company.
So join us for the training session. I mean, people talk a lot about respect for people in the Toyota way, right? And what I find fascinating, one of the aspects that I find fascinating in this course is that it gives you, in a very concrete, practical way, a view into how they do this and how they get 5,000 brains working together to build a future. It's fascinating. So see you there. Thank you.
Thank you.